welcome back to my channel. So today we'll see how to clean the BMC air filter. So this is the cleaning kit. We'll see what all we have inside. So this is the detergent for BMC air filter. So using this we need to wash it. So we need to use this to apply. We need to make a hole in this, and we have a special fluid for filter regeneration. This is after washing. If you apply this, it will be like a brand new air filter. So total kit will cost you around 1800 rupees BMC. So let's see how we can wash it. So here is the air filter now in this condition. So now we need to clean this. Once we remove it from the car, we need to dust all the particles so that hard particles will come out. So now we will see how to wash it. So we'll start washing it, cleaning it. So now we need to remove this and put this to apply on this. So now we need to apply it thoroughly. Like this we need to apply. We need to apply it on the both sides. So one side is done now. We'll rotate and we'll apply this side as well. So applying both sides. Take it very slowly so that each and every lines is covered. Okay, we'll skip this, so we'll complete it. So we have done applying it both the sides, this and this. So in one bottle we can use, like in one packing we can use around 2 to 3 washes we can do easily. So we'll keep this for 10 minutes to dry. So after 10 minutes we'll wash it with a normal water. We should not use any pressure water for this. So yeah, let's wait it to dry. Now we need to wash it with normal water. So you see all the dirt, to wash it thoroughly. As you can see. Washing, you can keep it for drying. So now it is totally dried. So you should keep for drying. You should not use any air dryer or something. So now you can see all the dirt, all the thing is gone now. So now we need to using this special fluid for filter regeneration. So we need to use this one. So we will do the same. Remove it. We'll apply this, create a small hole in this. So we'll apply. Slowly we need to apply it. Each and every single line we need to use, so it will be as new. Okay, we'll finish it and I'll show you. So now the regeneration process is done. So we can now just go and fix in the car, that's all. So this is the video of how we need to wash it step by step, how to clean it, how to wash it, and how to apply the regeneration fluid and all in this video. Please do subscribe to my channel for more and more updates, and thank you so much.